How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch your settings app, navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection. If not, you can rejoin it. Next thing you want to do is head back, click on the option VPN. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. If you are connected, disconnect to it. Likewise, head back. Now click on the option battery. Make sure you have disabled for the option low power mode. In case you have enabled it, disable for this option. Next up, scroll all the way down and head over to the option apps. From the list of the apps, find Microsoft Authenticator. After app appears, click on it. Make sure you have allowed the notifications for it. Enable all these options. Then you can head back. Now head over to the option privacy and security. Make sure you have enabled for the option location services. If not, you'll need to enable that. Now head back and navigate to the option General. Head over to the option Date and Time. Toggle on for the option Set Automatically. With these settings, you'll be good to go. Your Microsoft Authenticator app should work. Lastly, what you want to do is update the app. To do that, launch your App Store, search for the app Microsoft Authenticator. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. So, this is how you can easily fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.